Last year, to ease the public's concern over the vaccine approval process, Governor Gavin Newsom, along with Oregon, Washington, Nevada, and Colorado, formed the Western States Scientific Review Work Group to independently review the FDA and CDC's recommendations. That is what's happening now. The county as well as the hospital officials say they are waiting for the final approval from both the work group and the state's Department of Public Health. In a statement, County Supervisor Nathan Fletcher says once that happens, quote, our region will be well prepared to provide the Pfizer booster shots for those who are eligible. Both Sharps and Scripps Health echo Fletcher's sentiment. Dr. Jotu Sandhu says Sharp is gearing up to provide boosters but hasn't yet.
We are looking at the recommendations very carefully at the moment, and we're gearing up for anything that could be changing and coming down the pipeline.
Over at Scripps Health, CEO Chris Van Gorder says the hospital is anticipating a big demand from people looking to get boosters. He says Scripps is in talks with the Del Mar Fairgrounds about hosting a vaccination site there.
We haven't concluded those yet, but we fully anticipate that we will. And as a result, we'll probably be able to start offering appointments, at least appointment scheduling next week, with vaccinations to be able to start taking place at, we hope, Del Mar the following week.
This morning, CDC director went against the agency's panel of advisors and recommended COVID boosters for frontline healthcare workers. Van Gorder says his staff has been lobbying him to get boosters, but the news didn't go over well with everyone. Nurse Tony Bittner, who works at Rady Children's Hospital, says she is against the vaccine mandate as well as the booster.
I guess the biggest concern is that we have a politically appointed official that's making a unilateral decision against the experts on her committee concerning the vaccine booster. And so it should give everyone pause.
National Nurses United, the nation's largest nurses union, however, says it applauded the CDC director's decision to include healthcare workers. Alexander Nguyen, KPBS News.